Okay, this video will be about this hi-fi audio amplifier that I reviewed a couple of days ago, and I see that it's around $13 from Aliexpress for most countries in the world. And as I said in today's video, I'm gonna disassemble and see what is inside and what kind of amplifier there it is inside. Let's open it. And also I'm gonna use my beautiful electric screwdriver. All the links will be in description below so you can check it. Alright. Okay, here it is, the printed circuit board of this hi-fi Mp3 FM car player with amplifier, of course. And you can see that in the left side we have the Bluetooth receiver with the chip. In the middle is the audio amplifier, and I can see that the letters are AD52068. This little chip is the preamplifier 4558 that is very used. We have one big diode right here and the voltage regulator. This one is 7805. That means from 12 volts is regulating the voltage to 5 volts. Also we have the filters for the output speakers right here, 4 of them with inductors. And let me search for this chip amplifier. How many watts is this chip? And yes, I found it on the internet. As I said, it's AD52068. It's 2 times by 20 watts stereo class D audio amplifier with power limit, which is nice. And this amplifier works from 4.5 volts to maximum 26 volts. And when it's on 20 watts per channel into 8 watts with 10% tolerance, this is great. It can deliver 40 watts when it's working in mono. Good. I got a lot of comments for this module that I got from AliExpress and cost around from 10 to 15 US dollars from AliExpress, and it turned out that it's pretty good product for the money, with the FM receiver, with Mp3 player, with the amplifier. Everything is good, and the PCB board is not bad at all. Take a look at this and please tell me in the comments what you think, because by my opinion this board with this amplifier with this gadget worth the money. Okay, I forgot, there is a heatsink below for cooling down the amplifier. Alright. Okay, that was a quick video of this amplifier that I ordered a week ago, and I make a review, and many of you like it, but comment that I need to disassemble and see what is inside. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! And now the fun part. I need to assemble everything together. Okay.